In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a template to favorites on CapCut PC. If you're tired of digging through tons of assets every time you want to reuse a text style, effect, or transition you already like, this quick CapCut feature will save you a lot of time. Favoriting a template gives you a simple shortcut so you can come back to it later without searching all over again. To get started, open CapCut on your PC and head to the template library. Move your mouse to the top left area of the interface where the main toolbar menu is located. From there, click the Templates tab. If the asset you want to save is specifically a text-based design, you can also click Text and then choose Text Templates instead. The exact section you use depends on the kind of template you want to favorite, so just open the library that matches the asset you're working with. Once you're inside, take a moment to browse the available styles. On the left side, you'll see categories listed in a vertical panel. These categories help organize the template library, making it easier to narrow down the options and find the look you want. Scroll through them and open the category that best matches the design style you're trying to save. After you find a template you like, move your cursor over its thumbnail. Don't click the thumbnail itself just yet, simply hover over it and you should see a small star icon appear in one corner of that template card. That star is the shortcut for adding the asset to your favorites folder. Now click the star once. As soon as you do, the icon will turn yellow. That color change is your confirmation that CapCut has saved the template into your favorites collection. It's a very quick visual cue and it lets you know the action worked right away. Next, to check your saved template, move back over to the left sidebar. At the top of that panel, look for the category marked with a star and labeled Favorites. Click it once and CapCut will open your personal favorites list. Inside that folder, you should see the template you just saved, usually appearing right near the top of the grid. From there, it's ready whenever you need it, and you can drag it directly onto your timeline in future edits. That's it. You've used the top left asset navigation, the hover star toggle on the thumbnail, the yellow favorite confirmation, and the favorites folder to verify everything was saved successfully. And just like that, your template is bookmarked and ready to use anytime.